New to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Ford F-250 SD Lariat Edition Crew Cab Truck. On the exterior, you have four-wheel drive, power rear sliding window, automatic headlights, and rear backup camera. Inside, you have spacious leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, adjustable pedals, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch LCD display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Ford F-250 has less than 25,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.